GCC, your supplier of choice in cement, concrete products, and innovative solutions, presents Versabind, a finely ground blend of hydraulic calcium silicates and calcium sulphate. While not classified as a cement, Versabind has cementitious properties. Versabind is used in various soil applications and as an asphalt anti-stripping agent.
There are two main applications for Versabind. One is as an anti-strip ingredient in asphalt. It makes the asphalt binder stick to the rock better. And the other application is for road base and waste mitigation.
Versabind is an extremely finely ground product that has a tremendous application in soil stabilization. In very small percentages, Versabind will reduce plasticity index and also create strengths.
We recently completed a project in Rio Rancho, New Mexico, where we blended Versabind with milled asphalt to create a road base. We did a stabilization job at a feedlot in Texas to create a firmer base for the cattle.
Versabind is a blend of cement clinker and anhydrite, and it's ground to a very high blane, and it's pug milled onto the aggregates at a hot plant to reduce stripping, which is what causes the asphalt film to lose its grip on the aggregate.
Versabind is also a solution for the asphalt industry. When Versabind is blended with asphaltic cement, dust is not created.
Versabind has a competitive advantage in that it is heavier, so a silo will hold more of the product than it will the competitor's product. Additionally, it's also less expensive because it's less expensive to produce than the competitor's product, and it is cleaner around the hot plant.
Versabind is made with a recycled material. More than half of the ingredients used to make Versabind are a recycled product. So the result is a product that not only gets rid of a waste, but is produced with less than half of the energy that is used to produce some of our competing products. Versabind is providing a leading solution for waste mitigation products.
Having utilized Versabind on a number of different environmental remediation projects dealing with everything from toxic materials to extremely hazardous waste, we found its ability to fixate, encapsulate, and stabilize the constituents of concern are far better than that of any other type of product that we've ever had the ability to test.
When you look at the differences in the other pozzolanic additives that we have tested in the lab, Versabind did come out to be the most cost-effective due to not having to use as much material compared to like cement or lime, and it also came up with a lot stronger product than what we would have had with the other.
We feel that the Versabind has allowed us to compete on an equal footing as it does produce the requisite strength, the AVEEM stabilities, as well as the other engineering test criteria that are involved in the production of an asphalt stabilized base product.
I would recommend Versabind to anyone who wants to stabilize soils and reduce the expense of that stabilization.
I would recommend Versabind to any of the environmental consulting firms, environmental engineering firms, road construction contractors, and most notably the road construction and area highway engineers here in the Southwest.
GCC, your supplier of choice in cement, concrete products, and innovative solutions.